These days, we are hearing a lot about neobanks. Every now and then, we read any news articles regarding digital payments. We hear a lot about neobanks. So today in this video, I am going to tell you what is neobank, how does it work, and what are the latest technology advances which are there presently in neobanking. So hello everybody, this is Namrata and I'm here today to answer all your queries regarding neobanking. To start with the name, Neo. Neo means new. And why it is named as neobanking? Reason being, it is using a new technology, which is nothing but the digital technology. Neobank is a bank which is digital in nature. That means it has no physical branches. Can you imagine? Now you must be wondering, how can a bank work without any physical branches? How they will operate, how the customers will use their services without going actually to the branch. So neobanking is completely online. Neobanks are that fintech firms which provides digital solutions through your mobile. Can you imagine? You can have your own bank in your phone, and that's how simple it is. So it will provide the services like money lending, money transfers, etc. And they are saving a lot of cost. I'll tell you how. Because they don't have any infrastructure. So the infrastructure cost will not only be minimum but zero. Now you must be thinking that why we actually need neobank when the actual old traditional banks are already there in the market. So I'll tell you few reasons. Number one, digital payments have really embraced at such a great and high scale in India. Number two, customers are moving away from physical cash, physical banks, and moving towards digital payments, digital technology and all. Last night I was just checking my bank account statement and I found that 99% of my total transactions were from UPI. I hardly use any cash. I hardly actually go to ATM and withdraw cash. Even when I'm going to a vegetable vendor, I really see a QR code over there. So this means digital payments are improving like anything in India. India is rising towards an era of digital payments. The number of Indian consumers who are transacting digitally is growing at a rapid scale. Many people, in fact more and more people each and every day are getting comfortable using Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Bheem and whatnot. Looking at all these numbers and all the statements which I have given, it is very clear that neobank has a lot of scope in Indian market. Now the question comes, so how does the neobank works? Neobank has entirely a different business model. Neobanks have completely data driven process. They are very much modernized. It becomes very much easier for them to analyze such data and come to the conclusion. Based on the customer behavior only, they actually make the subsets of different customers and then accordingly offer according to the demand of that very customer. But like traditional banks earns a lot of money between cash lending and inflow. For an example, if you are going to a traditional bank and you want to have a fixed deposit, they will provide you a 4% interest on your fixed deposit. But when you are lending the money from the bank, obviously the rate of interest is a bit higher. For an example, it is 8%. So 4 and 8%, they are making a margin of 4% there. But in case of neobanking, this margin is comparatively low. So as they are completely online, so the customer fees is very minimal in case of the neobank. Coming to only the advantages of neobanking. So yeah, it is very much customer friendly and it is very hassle free for all the customers out there. Reason being, you don't have to actually visit a branch and open your account. You just have to use your mobile and your account is open. You can avoid standing in a long queue in private or the public sector banks, and especially in the time of COVID. One of the most important feature which I am liking the most is it makes international transactions so seamless. Supposedly you go to a private bank, you open an account, so they provide you a debit card which may or may not work internationally, but in the case of neobank, it is just like that. When you open an account, it can be used not only in India but worldwide. Your banks are very user friendly, so you don't have to bang your head when net banking sites are not working or the mobile app of a bank is not working. Last but not the least is They provide a very smart reporting of all your transactions. They provide you the report where you are spending the most and where you are spending the least, so you don't have to actually write down all your expenses somewhere else. They will show you with certain pie charts, some certain diagrams and all. That was all about the neobanks. If you like this video, then please share, do comment, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.